Where? Quezon City. Oh my God, I come here 5 o'clock. I said, that's okay, dog. Don't worry. No problem. Kasi kararating ko lang. I just arrived like 5 days ago. This is no problem. Where do you stay? He said, I stay in Kuala. But he was already thinking when I asked him where he stayed. Why? I said, because if we cannot find the house of Miss Corrales, I'll go to your house and sleep there, and tomorrow we'll operate. You know what he said? I don't do that. I said, what do you mean don't do that? I will sleep anywhere in the floor. I'm used to that. I've been in show business for a long time. We sleep in the street sometime. He said, no, Day, please. That's okay. I will look where Pilita is, but I cannot bring you there. I just look for Pilita until you remember. He said. And you know, I remember I was praying, Ano ninyo, what is the street of Pilita? And then he kept telling, new.